I did the robot voice in the Blacktron videos. So I'll break it down for you right now. 2 vocal parts.
They found us.
Then there's the backup.
They found us.
So this is what they sound like without any effects on them. Here is the first one.
They found us.
So with the pitch correction.
They found us.
Ring shifter.
They found us.
And then I just cleaned it up with a little EQ
They found us.
to make it sound like it was coming through the phone. And then this one without any effects.
They found us.
Just monotone.
They found us.
Pitch shifter.
They found us.
Ring shifter.
They found us.
And then sample delay for stereo width.
They found us.
So like an auto tune, just to have it sound a little weird. Pitch shifted down 2 semitones, down sampled with a bit crusher by 4, and then ring shift at -30 hertz. And then on the second one, same thing, auto tune, pitch shifted down 2 semitones, a ring shift at +30 hertz, and a sample delay of 66 milliseconds on either side. It doesn't matter, just to get some stereo width. And then together it sounds like this.
They found us.
I hope that helped. If not, just let me know. I'll make a better, more in-depth version. But I just wanted to try to reply as fast as I could. But thanks for watching.